The Workplace Gender Equality Agency is where all the mandatory gender reporting across all Australian corporations goes. They have 6 gender equality indicators, and companies with more than 100 people need to have a strategy in place for each of those 6 gender equality indicators. Gender Equality Indicator 5 is about speaking to your workforce, staff consultation, understanding what matters to your people. I am super passionate about this one because I think that people that work in the organisation, they are best placed to tell you what the issues with the organisation are. The people in your organisation understand what the issues are, what many of the causes of those issues are, and potential solutions for the things that are challenging them in your workforce. And when they're part of co-creating solutions, they're so engaged and invested in the outcome being successful. The simplest way to comply with this gender equality indicator is to include stuff in the annual staff survey that most companies do. But often there's not enough information in there to give you real meaningful, deep insight. I was speaking to someone recently who said the engagement survey results are coming back really strong, but he can feel that there is a sense that something is bubbling underneath that people aren't very happy with. If you're not getting the insights that you need from staff surveys, then you need to be asking better questions. So in-depth focus groups, pulse surveys that are really targeted around the questions you have around this stuff, and creating a safe space for people to share their insights and ideas and suggestions is how you really get meaningful insights in this area. One of the objections I hear to doing staff surveys and focus groups is that stuff might come up that you're actually not going to respond to, and so you don't want to know about this stuff and then get staff involved and then tell them you're not doing anything. But to that I say the issues exist whether you ask people about them or not. So if you hear about the issues and you find out what's actually going on, then you can make an informed decision about how to respond, which might still be, we're not going to do anything about that. But if you don't speak to staff, then you just don't know what the actual issues are. So you definitely can't do anything to respond to it, and you're not informed about what's going on for your workforce. If this is something that you want to engage your workforce on and you actually want to do some meaningful consultation, get in touch. I love this work.